Hello friends, welcome to the 7th episode of Mastering Excel series. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust width of a column. My name is Jyoti and my channel's name is Fincoin. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel in order to learn more about Excel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. So, let's begin. Suppose I want to manually increase or decrease the size of this column. I'll place my cursor over here and then increase or decrease the size of the column. You can also go to Home and then go to Format and then go to Column Width. Suppose I want to keep my column width to 14. I insert the value and then I press OK. This has increased the width of my column to 14. There's one more option in Format. Suppose I use this option AutoFit column width. It will adjust the width of my column to the size of the text. Suppose I have written here and I use this option AutoFit column width. You can see that this option has changed the width of my column to the size of the text. So this is how you use the options column width and AutoFit column width. And at the same time, if you want to be more effective, you can use the shortcut keys appearing on the screen.